Kids born in the internet age receive unimaginable exposure to new learnings and opportunities, but it also leaves them exposed to cyberbullying, dark web purchases, online abuse, and predators that lurk behind their smartphone screens. So, in order to discharge themselves from their concerns completely, parents make use of the spying apps that can keep a keen eye on the kid, just like they themselves keep. But then the question arises, are these spying apps really trustworthy? And are they really reliable? And that's exactly why today I'm going to show you an amazing monitoring app known as FamiSafe, which is already quite famous among the parents. We will discuss all the features of FamiSafe and try to answer each and every concern that the parents normally have. After that, you will be able to make a wise decision whether to go for FamiSafe or not. So guys, this is Suleiman Khan and let's start. First, let's have a quick look on how to install FamiSafe app. This app is one of the best parental control apps for iPhone and Androids, which is super easy to use and the kids cannot uninstall the app on their devices without the password. You can directly install the app from either your Android smartphone or iPhone. First, install FamiSafe parental monitoring app on both your phone and your kid's phone. For your kid's device, log into the FamiSafe account on their device, choose the identity as kid. Fill in your kid's name and age. For parents' device, log into your FamiSafe account on your own device and choose the role as parent. This connects you to your kid's device, so you can track your kid's device and make any parental control settings from your phone. Now, there are two ways you can keep your kids safe. First, by controlling how your kid surfs the web. Second, by monitoring your kids' whereabouts. Now first, let's see how you can control your kids' internet surfing habit. FamiSafe Android parental control app lets you block any app on your kid's phone either permanently or for short durations such as their study or sleep time. If your kid ever tries to run a blocked app, you will be notified immediately. YouTube content detection. With over 500 hours of fresh video uploaded every minute to YouTube, it's very likely for a kid to come across inappropriate videos. But with the FamiSafe Android and iPhone parental monitoring, you can connect to your kid's YouTube account and check if he or she has subscribed or searched for inappropriate videos. Web content blocking and filtering. If prevention is better than cure, then why would you wait for your kid to find a porn or gambling website and then block it? Then FamiSafe parental control app keeps a large database of websites with harmful content, so you can easily pre-block such sites before your kid finds them. You can also block any website manually when necessary. Now let's move forward with the second most important feature of this app, that is monitoring. Using FamiSafe, now you can easily track your child's location anytime you want. With the real-time location function, you can get the exact spot where your child is roaming. This function can be a real lifesaver if your kid is quite small in age and easily forgets the route to home. Not just the location tracking, you also get the information about the battery life of your child. So if the battery life is really low, you can call your child and ask them to come back home or charge the phone somewhere as soon as possible. But there is something that you need to keep in mind. Don't stay on the real-time location page of the app for a long time. This will drain the battery of your child's phone more quickly. The reason being, if you stay on that page, FamiSafe is going to extract the location information from the kid's device continuously. Talking about the location, there is something more FamiSafe offers you. The word geofencing is made with geo, referring to geographical, and fencing, referring to creating a barrier. So this feature creates imaginary fencing on the borders of the location set by you. The fencing is to be created when you don't want your child to cross the area that you set using the geofencing feature. When the child leaves or enters the set area, you immediately receive a notification about that. The set area can be of a minimum 100-meter radius and with a maximum limit of 1000-meter radius. If you are curious to know which app your kid uses the most and for the longest period, Activity Monitor will reveal everything. When you open the activity report, you get to see all the apps that your kid has been using. Not simply that, Activity Monitor also shows the time for which the app has been in use. If your child is using an app in the current time, the activity report will show that app on the top and mention in use in front of it. To view all the apps used in the past date, you can select the calendar given at the top and set the date for which you desire to view the activity. Regarding these amazing features, FamiSafe offers tons of useful features like detection of explicit content, web content filtering, screen time tracking, YouTube control, location history, and much more that will definitely help you in keep your kids safe. So after analyzing each and every aspect of this software, one thing is sure that it is certainly one of the best monitoring app that one can get. Not only that, but FamiSafe is also really inexpensive as compared to its competitor apps. So it can even be bought by someone going through financial struggles but have a kid that needs to be kept an eye on. The FamiSafe Parental Control app offers a 3-day free trial when you sign up. While subscription plans range accordingly, there is a month plan for up to 5 devices at the price of $9.99 a month, a quarterly plan for up to 10 devices at $6.66 a month, an annual plan for up to 30 devices at $4.99. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.